Hi everyone, welcome back to Physio Activity. I'm Esther by name, a physiotherapy student at Entera University, Lucknow, India. In our video of today, we are going to talk about difference between activity limitation and participation restriction. And our guest of today is...
Hello everyone, I am Nurahan. As you said before, we are going to be discussing about difference between activity limitation and participation restriction.
Okay. The first question of today's topic is, what is the difference between activity limitation and participation restriction?
Before I move further, I would like to start with what is activity. In physiotherapy field, if we say activity, we are referring to the ability for a patient or ability for an individual to participate in day-to-day daily activity. So if we say activity limitation, we are referring to the inability for the patient or an individual to participate in day-to-day activity, like inability for the patient to participate in sport, inability for the patient to walk, etc. So if you say participation restriction, participation in physiotherapy field means ability for an individual or ability for the patient to participate in a social life, to engage in a social life. So participation restriction meaning inability for the individual or for a patient to participate in social life due to some condition.
What is their causes?
The main cause of activity limitation and participation restriction is that impairment.
What is impairment?
Impairment is a problem that affects body structure or functional part of the human body. There is two types of impairment, structural impairment and functional impairment. Structural impairment is a problem that affects internal or external part of the human organs, like heart, brain, lungs, etc. While functional impairment is the impairment that affect the functional part of the human body, like inability to hear, to see, to taste, to walk, or inability to engage in social life.
Okay. So this is the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you in our next video.